childhood thing. This was one of those next climbing as a kid. But yeah, that's the outside, little water area, cooler. Yeah, well cool. Right, I think we're going to nip back in and then back out if we don't find anything else. It wouldn't be a mall without a Crocs store in here though, would it? Right then. Fortunately, I've showed you everything there is to see, yeah? So I'm going to leave it at that, but if anybody wants any more specifics on it, shout me, let me know. I'll come back. I will be coming back here. It was just a quick one today to show you that you haven't got to go to Bangkok or live in Bangkok for all the nice malls and nice things. You can come here, Nonthaburi, and live cheaper, half the price, and still have the luxuries. Anyway, that was my quick one today. I'm off, I'm starving, I'm going to get back and things to sort out. So, once again, if you ain't already subscribed and you want to escape the Matrix, shout me, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Peace. And then behind me we have the famous night market, L Market. I'm just going to show you over the fence. That is where we come in to compare prices on the next video. So if you haven't already subscribed, hit it, hit the notification bell, and we'll compare prices at the local market. That is like 4-minute walk from the mall we was just at. It's half the price of food and different things in there, and a lot more niche shops than the actual mall itself. Hence why it's probably the best place to go to, the night market, for most of your things and food. And if you have to niche things and souvenirs if you're on holiday and not actually moving here. So yeah, that's on the next video. So don't forget to subscribe and see you again. God bless and escape the Matrix.